Muzimbe Eggali nali serious. We mugenda okwesimba muwambeewo. We are not going to be in opposition. We are going to be the ruling party. Build teams of resistance, people that you can speak to, and it should not be public. Which call it privately, so that we are ready when the time comes. Tuli musiko, and we are going to win. We are 49 million Ugandans. But it doesn't make sense winning the presidency when we are light on ground. So let us be strong on ground. Just come away your next year, late next year, and come younger president. Yes. Work so hard so that I find you the MP of your area, the mayor of your area, the councillor of your area. We are not dreaming. We are real, and this is going to happen. I think because it's possible. I believe it in my heart. You should believe it. But we are taught that faith without action is empty faith. We should do what we must do to accomplish this. Among them is unity. Stick together. You are each other's energy. You are each other's resource. Once divided, you're going to be weakened. And that's where our enemy wants us. So let's work knowing jetugenda walamu bino bya dala ati tugenda kutuukayo. We won in 2021. Yes. So looking for votes is not an issue. The issue is how do we ensure we are announced? How do we ensure we sit in that chair where Ugandans want us to sit? It is similar. Kawempe just gave us an example. Because Museveni gave orders to do anything under the sun to get Kawempe. They spent 4 billion shillings. Officially, I believe it's much more than that.
It is much more.
Look what the people of Kawempe. We announced the protest vote and Kirawa Kawempe. Era twagenda nga tugenze nalo. Twabagamba tugenze mu kalulu kwe Karakasa. We invited the population. Any of you who doubted, now you know what people can do, even when they are unarmed. They brought that, they abducted people, they beat people, mayors, MPs, tortured them. But we defeated them. That was here in a small constituency in Kawempe, near the headquarters of the military. It was a small constituency. They concentrated all their lethal forces in Kawempe. We beat them. Now imagine when their forces are scattered all over Uganda. You know, bebaine Kawempe bagenda bawula bagende buso bagende jinja bagende toro bagende wa tujja bawanga. If we are. So friends, and when we win, we should be ready. And I'm very glad that you comrades in Toro are taking that line ready.